Hello and welcome to Wood Art by Z. Today I am showing my new pumpkin spice ornaments. I chose to use scrapbook paper, but you could paint these as well. Just trace your shape onto your scrapbook paper and cut it out. I am using Mod Podge to attach my paper to my wood piece. I am using toasted marshmallow for the sleeve and the lid. This color will need several coats for good coverage. Next, I am using spiced pumpkin for the pumpkins. Now I am just sanding off some of the flashback so it doesn't show through my paint. This piece will be the back for the gift card option, and I am using the spiced pumpkin color to paint this. For the second sleeve, I used napkin to create a wood stained look using brown oxide paint. I apply the paint and then wipe off the extra. These ornaments would also make cute gift tags as well as a beaded garden tag. For the hearts, I used the color Real Red. Now it's time to assemble. I am using my stick fast glue to attach all my pieces. This glue dries fast, and if you're not careful, you will glue your fingers to your project. For the gift card option, you just add these layers to the back of your ornament. This creates a pocket where the gift card would be inserted. Then whoever you gift it to can hang this as an ornament on their fall tree. After everything is glued and dry, I am just adding some shading with my Distress Oxide in ground espresso. Just gives it some extra little details. You can find these DIY pumpkin spice ornaments or gift card option on my website at www.woodartbyz.com. They are under the fall category. I will get photos posted of my completed project shortly after this video. Thank you for watching.